Make sure my boy gets some good shorts. I'm gonna change my shirt. Chat, how we looking? Can he fit that? Yeah, he can fit that. Those are yeah, W host, of course. Gotta take care of my boy. W Tota in the chat, man. I'm making sure you got some shorts because I want to be comfortable on the boat. Let's get him a t-shirt. I'm gonna get him a Celine t-shirt. He could have this bitch. Like a $700 t-shirt. I don't give him black and white though. No, he's in Miami. He need to wear like Miami Dolphin shit. You think that'll be fire?
I feel like you should book me some shit. I was just looking at clips.
But that's for later. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Here, t-shirt.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yellow with the
Yeah, yellow with the black and white. Okay, I'm gonna put on a white shirt or some shit, black shirt. Keep it gangsta. I'm gonna just put on this FAMU shirt. All right, you don't gotta be on my nuts, gang. Got my face. Bet that would have been my lady, my red baby. Got my boy Tota in that Celine motherfucker. I'm gonna wear this FAMU shirt. Or should I just keep this? No, I don't like this shirt. Get it off of me. Get on Tota. You look, is it drippy?
white tee on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this FAMU one on.
You my uncle?
My boy got that shit on. Yeah. Yeah, my boy having that shit on. Ah!
Oh.
Yeah, looking good, brother.
You look.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let's get ready to go to the boat. Got them shits.
Oh, good.
Fire.
Oh my God.
W, bro.
W, bro.
I don't know that song.
You know.
No, I don't even know. I don't think you saying the right words.
Bruno Mars.
Oh, Bruno Mars. I don't know them words you was saying though.
Oh my gosh, man.
What words was you saying, twin?
You don't go. Okay?
You were just saying. It's huffing on, say by yourself.
What the fuck, bro? Oh my God. Oh my God.
I can sing a little bit in America.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, usually. What else song I want to teach you? I want to teach you another song. Go easy on me. Adele.
Go me.
Easy on me.
Go me. Easy on me.
Not measy. Go easy on me.
Go easy on me.
I was just a child.
I'm just a child.
Yes. Adele, we love you. My boy Tota in America singing your shit.
You the best.
No, you the best. We about to have a good time.
Watch.
It's some girls on the boat. For you, for your birthday.
Yeah.
Años. Cumpleaños.
20.
I know. I'm saying girl for your birthday.
Yeah.
Girl.
Girl. Girl.
Chica.
Chica?
Sí.
Mi chica?
Más chicas.
My chicas?
On yacht.
Ah,
for
girls,
you.
Girls in yacht?
Sí, for you.
Oh my God. Oh.
See, like, we got a small language barrier, but we gonna make it.
Yeah.
We gonna make it.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Como se fala robô em inglês?
Robot.
Robot. Technology robot.
Technology robot.
Yeah, technology
Oh,
robot.
yeah. You must have said
Yeah.
that for Uber Eats. Uber Eats.
Robot.
Like
Robot food you house.
See, my house, it bring it. It get in elevator, it come up, and
What
it,
the fuck, bro?
see, bro,
No fake.
America is real. Black negro mirror.
Oh my gosh. Very crazy.
Yeah, very crazy, bro.
Damn.
Big sexy.
What's up, bro?
What's happening, twin?
What's the word? What you want?
Me and Tota coming to see you
What's
tonight.
up, bro?
Oh, yeah, popping out tonight?
Yeah, we coming to see you tonight.
Ah, friend, you. How
Look,
are you?
Sexy Red.
Sexy Ray.
What's his name? What's your name?
Tota.
Tota.
I like you, Tota. You cute.
I love you, my friend.
She said you cute.
Você dormiu cute?
She trying to put it on your head. She trying to get you to.
I'm trying to twerk on you tonight.
She said she gonna twerk on you tonight. Ooh, W, bro.
W, bro.
W's in the chat for Sexy Red, y'all.
Who's in the chat?
W's in the chat. I'm gonna hit you later, twin.
Tonight.
All right, I'm gonna hit you later.
Alright, bro, I'm see you.
All right, twin.
Oh my.
W Sexy Red. Oh,
W Sexy Red.
she said she gonna twerk on you tonight.
Yeah, let's go.
Ooh.
Hi, Lupita, da mamacita, everybody,
Oh, my boy, turn on it first day in the yams. Oh, oh.
Oh my.
Yeah, no, we don't need no translator. He good. He good. He figuring it out. All foot, chat. All foot. I'm finna send Sexy Red the link that we in that bit right now. Say hi, Sexy Red. She looking. Say hi.
Hi.
She's watching.
She's watching.
Yeah,
Hi,
say
she's
hi,
watching.
fine shit.
Hi, Funshi.
Yeah.
Hi, Funshi. You the best. Hi, Funshi. You the best, bro.
Ah, boy, yo, hell fuck, twin. All right.
Yeah.
All right, so we finna get on this boat, act like you got some damn sense.
Exactly.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Just watch Sexy. His ass be cutting up. He is a damn fool. It's up here on the right, so we got the big yacht, the big yacht, twin. You about to see it? It's the big one.
Oh.
What you see, Tota?
What?
What you see?
Yes.
Girls.
Yeah.
Hi, Lupita, Zatata, mamacita. Oh my gosh.
Appreciate you. Oh, my charger. I'm forgetting shit, man.
Good charger, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Technology.
Technology. Not technology.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, bro.
Technology. What the fuck? What's up, bro?
We're here, bro.
Hi. Hi, you.
Hi, Gil.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I love you. Oh my god.
Ladies. I appreciate you guys. Yeah. That's fun. Know what about? You alright? What's up, little mama? You alright? You alright? Good to see you.
Oh shit, what's up?
What's happening? You alright? Yeah, you good.
You missed everything.
I missed everything?
Yeah. Are you gonna come out to the wave next?
Yeah, of course. I'm part of Brandon. Yeah.
Like, right?
Yeah. What's up? You alright? Camila!
How are you?
What's up, my love? You alright? Thank you. How you doing? I'm Ben. Come on. I see you. Yeah, what we doing? Smoke eyes with the mother. So appreciate it, twin. I have not started sharking yet, chat. Don't do that. Not yet. It's a beautiful day. Chat, this ain't my boat. I got invited, so it's snow bunnies here. Oh, thank you. Yeah, white girl. Yeah, because they're like, where's the black? You know how my trying to be. Cheers. Cheers to snow bunnies with beautiful eyes. It's chat. It's not really me. So chat. So chat. You got the music? Play whatever you want, son. Huh? Oh, I gotta be close over there. This is my little sister right here. Come here, look. Little sis, say hi. You want something to drink? Water? What did you ask? I don't know. It's the bartender lady got you. Yeah, Chuck, that's Bryce. That's Bryce, old lady. W said, there you go, bro. Cheers, bro. Let's go. Cheers, my bro.
I like that.
You like it? Soltero.
That's the secret.
Singles.
Yes, nigga. Yeah. Come on, man. I do this shit, man. You? Okay. Let's do it. That is a Brazilian TK. You ever did the race? You know TK?
Take it.
Yeah, he looked like him. Yeah. I was trying, but I didn't win the race. Yeah.
Lá freestyle, bro. Lá freestyle.
Yeah. Okay. What's up? What happened last night? All in the news. All in the news.
And you're 33 minutes away.
I'm trying to bring y'all to the Black Club.
It's your gentleman.
No, I'm talking about the new. I was at G5.
Where are you?
G5. That's the trap.
What is fire?
It's trapped out. Hey, we would love to now.
I can service it.
You trying to shake some ass? We're gonna give you some more opportunities. Yeah. Sexy red hosting tonight. Live.
Live, you don't shake out.
Yeah, we is in our section. We is. Yeah. Sexy red section. Yeah, no, we got room in our. Yeah, you'll be able to throw that motherfucker. All right.
O baiano tem molho. O baiano tem molho. Nós já tá
Finally, that's
Yes, sir, bro. I had to get him some drip. What the hell, bro, doing? What the hell boat am I on? What that mean? Oh, that's where he's from? This is what they do? That's your man. That's who you be with. The one you be with. No, you. Yeah, it's time for Unc to sit back, chat. Bro ass, they said bro ass freaked out. Oh, I ain't never seen a pregnant with a BBL. No, Tota know it. Jesus. You ever seen a pregnant lady with a BBL? Behind you. I've never in my life seen that. Y'all didn't see it? See Beasley, what it is? What it do? I've never seen that. That's crazy. You Brazilian? You are? A pie music? See? Okay. Huh? I'm from here. Yeah.
Shout out to Miami.
Shout out Miami. You don't live here? You do? Oh, okay. Yeah, I live in Brooklyn. Yeah.
You look Dominican.
I look Dominican? Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican.
Yeah.
Shout out to all the Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rica.
Olha bastante pra esse lado. Você quer piques ao presente misterioso.
Baby finna be mine.
Conteúdo mais hoje. Cê gosta de noção que faz gostoso.
What's up, shout it? I'm good. Huh? You saw me? Oh yeah, I did say what up. I said what up to you. Working. We're doing it. Yeah. We was in design this, and then we went back, got him some drip, and now we came here. Get John on here. Cheers, brother. Let's go, bro.
Remember, we got poppy steak tonight.
Sexy Red, she wants to twerk on Tota tonight. Sexy Red. She's hosting Live tonight. Come on. Well, I'll go. Y'all making TikTok? Already smoking. You on TikTok? You say you on TikTok? Too gangster. What was you doing on there to go viral? Oh, nice. You talking about Unc loving the snow? I'm chilling. Huh? Twitch. You on stream?
No, I'm showing right now.
Oh, you really? Where your camera at? Oh. All for it, chat. What's that?
Enquanto o meu bolso sorri, se o crime não fosse bom, bebê, eu não ia estar aqui. Meus amigos privadão já vai cantar ali.
Some thick shit over here, chat. W Yacht.
Brota no meu setor, que puxado lança. Cola na minha PT, pra mostrar como ela dança.
Mine's in my tune though. Why? Oh, you got perfect teeth. Why don't you just do a teeth cleaner? They are. Yeah, but you don't need to get veneers. You don't need to get veneers. How was LA? Did you? You was waiting for what? Oh, so you don't live here no more? So you got an apartment here and LA? Excuse me, big dog. Excuse me, big dog. Yeah, I know. Exactly. 3,000 on what? In an apartment? Really?
It's small.
Oh, okay. They said Bryce locked the in.
Let's go take a picture, everybody. Let's go, brother.
Come on. Go. Gabe.
Can you feed everyone? Yeah.
WWW.
Vem no chat, vem no chat. Vem no chat, vem no chat.
Hey!
It's like room temperature. What are we waiting on? Ain't no chocolate, Chad. I'm sorry. This is not chocolate.
I just wait.
What are you? Well, that's not white though, but if the police pull you over, you white. You see how if they pull me over, I'm a Negro? I'm not light skinned. I'm thugging. You're funny as fuck. Right there.
I don't like water. We're just now down. Margarita's better.
Guaranteed not.
Bet.
I'll bet you anything.
Bet. Alright, bet you're going to lose.
I guarantee it's not. I literally, everybody know me because I got the best weed. Alice, you ain't my charger?
I'll show you my trade.
Thank you, love. In a minute. After you break down. Whenever you break down. I'm not breaking down. What?
That's what it's
Don't look at my food.
You have a foot fetish? Stop looking at your food.
You got a foot fetish?
Hey! 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 Oh my God!
With my building in the middle, at the top of that motherfucking twin, like just a young nigga from the M, man, like Middle Tennessee nigga, crackhead nigga, it's just and shooting and all type of shit. But we left that hoe, and we in that Yemen. We been surviving and thriving, man, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to get too in my feelings right now. Shout out Light, shout out to John Daughter, shout out AK and them all. Shout out my boy Tota. I'm making sure you have a good time, making sure you're safe. You know what I'm saying? Making sure you get some action. Tota! Tota! Hey! What the
Moleque, a música dos gordinhos, pai. É agora, vai. Vai. Dá tapa, dá tapa, dá tapa. Oi. Tapa na pepeca, dela pepeca, dela pepeca. Dela pepeca, dela pepeca. Pepeca, dela pepeca, dela pepeca.
What the f*** is wrong with this nigga?
É a música dos gordinhos invadindo o paredão, viado. Chegou a chapa.
Chegou a chapa, viado.
Dela pepeca, dela pepeca, dela pepeca, dela pepeca.
Y'all need a lot. Take your ass back up.
Pega o naipe do original. Pega o naipe do original.
My boy having fun though, he having fun. Yeah, go take it, go take it, go take it.
As novinhas passam mal. A fisquinha é esse metedor profissional. Metedor.
That is. You know they let him out 2 weeks
Na
ago.
garupa e te leva pra Dagrau. Essa vai bater na zero.
He is a race guy, free.
A fisquinha é esse metedor profissional que te bota na garupa e te leva pra Dagrau. Boca do 09. Você é metedor profissional, padre. Quem é esse metedor profissional? Da alegria. Seja feliz em sentar. Chegou a hora da alegria. Seja feliz em sentar. Senta. Se me der licor cremoso, eu vou cuspir tudo na cara, viu? Só gosto daquele tradicional cheio de álcool. Sou couro de rato, viado. Senta.
Chegou a chapa, viado.
Vai.
Viva la Brasil, viva Brasil.
Mini chapa.
Chega, pai, chega, pai.
Go crazy.
Tá com baixinho.
When he did that flip, that shit was crazy. That shit was crazy.
Chapa, viado. Toma.
Oh, you juking? Told in there, I'm juking. Yeah. Oh. I'm doing real. Drunken squirrel. Hit that motherfucker. Get out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Break it down. Oh. He hitting the worm on that hoe. Oh yeah. Nigga, I got the twerking. I need that video.
Wait.
Bryce, you'll make the funniest TikTok out of this. Throw that motherfucker. Walk with it now. Walk with it.
Go.
Oh no chance. No, this ain't your shot. Go auntie. Dribble that motherfucker in. She like she TOS. Like she take twerking classes. You definitely took a class. Oh shit. This yeah.
When I get my freak on, they throwing money like me.
That's that dance.
But these rich niggas throwing paper.
What you say? Did you say nigga? Oh. I don't know what I'm back with.
Family that's black too.
You black?
I have family that's black, yes.
They know you say oh, well it's cool with me then. They know she say this and she pat it to the head. Shake that head, man. No, she half black. What I'm gonna do? Beat her up? Check. Tota, you got some rubbers?
What?
Make sure you got some rubbers. Don't hit none of these hoes raw.
I choose you.
Like a Jimmy, like put it on a hat. Put it on your shit. Don't do nothing raw. Put a hat on. Don't raw nothing. Tell him don't raw nothing. Tell him put a rub on. Don't raw nothing.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Put a hat on, goddamn. Yes, bro.
Eu não saio do pensamento, então pensa comigo e culpa.
You gonna swim? Yeah, y'all niggas on dope. You need some floaties.
Yeah, I can't jump in that.
Your little leg, no.
I'm done.
Yeah, don't jump your ass in there.
Tira a mão, bata a mão, tira a mão, que ela bata a mão.
You going?
Tira a mão, batendo no pop. Bata a mão, tira a mão, bata a mão, tira a mão, bata a mão, tira a mão.
Jump your ass in there.
Wait. Let's go.
Ooh, he sliced that hoe like a Memphis nigga. Yeah, bro. Y'all crazy as hell. I'm gonna go get in this jacuzzi.
Ei, que foi coisa de momento. Ela ligou,
That weed
falou
out.